What's going on, guys? It's BlinkingBrakeLights, and today we'll be replacing the back speakers in my Honda Civic. Pretty much going to show you guys how you pop off the panel. Now, I'm not 100% sure if these speakers will fix. These did come out of an 8th gen sedan, so hopefully they fit in. So yeah, let's get this started. Alright guys, so the first step is, well, not the first step, well, if you get new speakers, these are, like I said, out of the sedan, so I'm pretty sure these are the same that are in the coupe, because I doubt Honda would make a different speaker for that. First thing you can do, you go into the rear trunk area of your coupe and you push down the back seats by pulling the lever. Now we gotta pop this off. This seatbelt just slides through that little hole right there. And we're gonna actually move my speakers out of the way. We're gonna squeeze back here. I'm 5'11", which really probably doesn't have anything to do with this. But this is not a very spacious car for a big guy. So we're gonna prop the camera up like right there. And pretty much what you do is, all this just pops off. If I can actually get it out of there. Yeah, so it just pops out like that. It's the first time pulling it off, so this could be a little bit harder for me. Probably easier if I had a pry tool, but I do not own any. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys whenever I get this off. No, peep that new album by Xavier Wolf. But once you guys pop this off, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. Sure to cost. It's probably gonna feel like you're breaking it, but don't be scared. These will force. You pull this through, and what you guys got to do is you're gonna come in here into the trunk. There'll be a wire. You got to unhook up and bring it around for you guys to actually see that. Give me a second. All right, so welcome to the trunk of my 8th gen. Now this wire is actually supposed to be hooked up in there, so I don't know how mine is not up. But you're gonna disconnect this wire. Right here, this is for the third brake light, which I think just slides out of there. Not exactly positive. So you push down on that button right there. Third brake light's disconnected. Now I do have a problem with my third brake light deciding to work whenever it wants to. We're gonna climb back in the car now. Tight squeeze. Sorry, this video is not gonna be perfect. Now this is gonna pull off like so. You have to watch that wire, like I said. Yeah, make sure you guide this wire through the hole. And then it comes right out. So I'm gonna take this out of the car, which I'm gonna slide it through the trunk, make it easier on myself. This is just got the camera. This is just the cover. And we're gonna look at this third brake light because I kind of want to see why this doesn't work. I might clean some of this crap up from up here, but yeah, this looks like the same speakers. And there's a subwoofer. It's actually bigger than I thought it was. I wonder if I can swap that out, even though it's factory. But yeah, let's go and clean this out, and then I'll get back to you guys in a second. Alright guys, so this is what the bolt looks like that holds the speakers in. It's just one. It's I don't know exactly what the correct size is, or another standard, but with my wrench set I have, it's a 5/16, and I'm using just a small cobalt ratchet. But all you do is, it's held in with epoxy. You already have the driver's side one in, but all you do is when you put the bolt in, it just lifts up out of there. It is glued down a little bit. Make sure you unplug it first. But whenever you get it, all you gotta do is just put a little bit of force on it and just pop up. Hopefully there, it's supposed to. Like so. And you slide it forward and pull it out. Now we're gonna go to the trunk and compare it with the new one. And I'll show you guys the difference. This is the new speaker that we pulled out of the sedan. This is one we pulled out of the coupe. The only difference is it's actually supposed to have a ring on it, so I'm thinking this is the one that's busted, because that's just nowhere to be found whatsoever. This one's pretty much destroyed. And this is the new one. Alright, all you gotta do is put the new speaker in, you just slide it in like so. There's 2 clips down there. I don't know if the GoPro's capturing it. That slides in. Take your bolt up here, find your hole, start tightening it down, and then we're going to test and see if it made any audio difference before I actually go and button all this together. So I'm going to go ahead and connect the speaker and we're going to turn the car on. Keys in ignition, the car's in on position. Gotta plug my phone up. You know, we have the up car pair because of the dual Bluetooth speaker. See if it sounds busted still.
Marcelo.
That sounds 10 times better than what it did before. We're gonna go ahead and put everything back together, and we'll be done with this video until the next part, whenever we're installing a new secret I bought, which it really isn't a secret. Well, the first time using the stalwart 40p sockets, that actually came out pretty well. We have the back panel back in, and the music, or the audio is a lot better. You guys didn't know what it sounded like before. Some people might, some people don't. I mean, I should have obviously did it before and after, but I mean, it's not that big of a deal. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next part of this video, whenever we're installing a reverse bulbs and a new taillight bulbs. Alright guys, welcome back to the video. We're picking this back up from another part where we replaced the speakers, which are now wonderfully working. I still have to find out why this third brake light is not working. I think the connection is bad, so I'll look into that another day. But we will be replacing the reverse bulbs in this because they are still halogen, and they're not the brightest. And I mean, you guys know I'm getting blinking brake light LEDs where they blink a couple times, obviously blinking brake lights, and those are LEDs, so I kind of want to update everything up here. See if I can find a yellow turn signal bulb, but that'll be a little while. So we're gonna go ahead and replace these. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like before and after. It's not dark, it's like 3 o'clock in the evening, so I'm gonna do my best to show you. So yeah, let's get ahead and try that. Alright, so this is the best angle I can get on my taillights. You guys are on the trash can, so sorry if you can't really see anything. Alright guys, and if you have a 8th gen, or I'm pretty sure any Honda Civic really until 2015, I believe they all use these 921 bulbs, or 912 for LEDs. No, I picked these up from Walmart. You can get these from AutoZone, Walmart, any store that sells lights for automotive vehicles. But to take this out, the bulbs out, each into the trunk. I mean, you could use a screwdriver for this or for your nail. I have a screwdriver to pop these out, but you can take these out on each side, and then you pull this panel back. So we're going to go ahead and do that, so give me a second. Now that the carpet's out, you just peel this back on either side from behind the weather stripping, and your tail light reverse bulb is going to be this one right here. You're just going to twist it. Try to use it on this side, be easier. Let's see. I can get my big hand in there. Alright, the new LED reverse lights are in there. Everything's working fine. I do have a clip of it. Thank you to my mother for actually getting in the car, putting her foot on the brake, putting it in reverse for me. So I'll insert that clip now. Alright. Yeah. But besides that, like I said, my LED tail lights should be coming in hopefully tomorrow, or whenever you guys see this video. Is probably the day before this video because I actually have to install them. And I'm probably gonna do a complete LED conversion for the lights under here too, because those are also halogen, just to give the car a more modern look instead of just being an outdated Honda pretty much. But yeah, I'll see you guys whenever we put the new taillights in. Alright guys, well we are back. Finish this video off. I'm filming on my phone. This is the OEM bulb. I should have just touched that. This is the OEM bulb. This is the new blinking brake light ones. As you see, LED. And when you put these in, all you're gonna do is, I don't think I can do this with one hand. Just gonna slide it in like that and click it in. So I'll show you guys when I'm done with this what it's supposed to look like. Alright guys, I know that that last clip was kind of abrupt, but yeah, the new LED blinking brake lights are installed on the car, so now we have full LEDs in the rear besides just the reverse, the blinkers, which I gotta find a yellow LED for that if I actually go to that, and then the little dome lights for license plate lights. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Blinking Brake Lights on Instagram if you guys want to pick some of those up. And I'll see you guys later. Peace. Never fail, I cease to switch it up. I'm still smoking.